Touchpad works but click not working fix. The ultimate guide. Is there anything more frustrating than seeing your mouse move across the screen but being completely unable to click on a single thing? Your laptop is right there, your work is waiting, but you are effectively locked out of your own computer. It is stressful and tiring. But please do not worry. You do not need to buy a new laptop or take it to a repair shop just yet. You can fix this annoying issue yourself at home right after watching this video. I will walk you through every proven solution to get you back to work and save your hardware. If you face any difficulty during any of these steps, please leave a comment below. I personally check all comments and I will reply to you within 1 hour to help. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel Tech Vibes for more helpful troubleshooting guides. Let us jump into the solutions. These fixes are from official support and real user feedback to ensure they work. We will cover settings, drivers, and physical checks. Let us start with the easiest ones first to get your touchpad clicking again. First, check if the touchpad was accidentally disabled by a keyboard shortcut. Look for a function key on your keyboard with a touchpad icon. Sometimes there is a small light in the corner of the touchpad indicating if it is locked. This is very common. On many laptops, you need to press the EF-N key and the EF6 or EF7 key at the same time to toggle the touchpad. On some models, it might be the EF5 or EF9 key. Try pressing this combination now to see if your click functionality returns. If the keys did not help, go to Settings, then go to Bluetooth and Devices, then go to Touchpad. Ensure the toggle is turned on. Expand taps and make sure the box for tap with a single finger to single click is checked to enable tapping as a click. Still no luck. Press Windows and AR. Type DEEVMGMT.MSC and press Enter. Go to Mice and other pointing devices. Right-click on your touchpad and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to refresh the software. If updating fails, select Uninstall Device. Restart your laptop, and Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh, working driver for you. This clears deep software conflicts that often stop the click function while the cursor still moves perfectly fine. It is a powerful fix. For Mac users, go to System Settings, then Trackpad, and ensure Tap to Click is enabled. Also, clean the surface with a dry cloth. If your touchpad is bulging, seek professional help immediately as your battery might be swollen. This is a critical safety hazard. I hope one of these fixes worked for you. You have got this issue fixed, and you are ready to get back to work. Stay productive, keep your tech running smoothly, and I will see you next time. Good luck.